From VOA Learning English, this is the Technology Report. A new phone app senses vibrations and alerts people to earthquakes. The phone app recognizes sending shaking of the Earth's surface through sensors in smartphones. The new app is called MyShed. It is the work of 4 researchers at the University of California, Berkeley. They said they created a worldwide warning system that will inform people and give them time to prepare for earthquakes. Other earthquakes include graphite, quake, and earthquake. They show where earthquakes have happened, their strength, and any aftershocks. They also use information from the U.S. Geological Survey. This MyShed app is available only for Android phones. Smartphones are equipped with accelerometers. These instruments measure movement. They also can measure the shaking of the machine, building, or other structure. Activity totals (MRs) that cause steps or exercise activities use accelerometers. Local positioning system, also called GPS, also use them. MyShed uses phone accelerometers to measure seismic activity. It has been programmed to know the difference between normal activity and accurate movements. The smartphone then sends seismic information to the app developers. The software developers say their app is correct 93% of the time. Several notifications from one area could mean that one earthquake may be taking place or will take place soon. The app also shows ways to stay safer during an earthquake. The developers say the app will improve as more people use it. For VOA Learning English, I'm Nghe.